are people able to get more information if they want to potentially?
Yeah, so on our website, which is like activeagecare.com, there's a franchise section in there that has information, and then we also we're doing a lot of educational content. I look at it like this, like the industry itself needs it needs a movement. But it needs a movement of people, like as a whole, right? So we're putting out the educational content on YouTube, and we have like kind of a quick destination. If people just are interested in adult daycare, period, they can go to ADC, so Alpha Delta Charlie Pro.com, and they go to that website, and that's kind of like a hub for like. We have monthly webinars we're doing with people and diving deep into like how to start, how to run, how to operate. We're doing, we have a private Facebook group for adult daycare owners and people interested in starting. And we're providing a lot of just really deep educational like knowledge so people aren't going at this alone,
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.